Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Backwoods again with another video. Sorry I've been gone. I've been taking a break on YouTube. There's a lot to explain, a lot to talk about. I got a bunch of stuff in the mail that I want to show you guys today. And I'm a seller on Whatnot. So there's a lot to cover, a lot to get down and talk about, baby. So let's get it. Hey, make sure you subscribe and click the link in the bottom. I got a $10 off when you sign up on Whatnot right now. So make sure that you guys check that out and enjoy this video, guys. Let's get it. So pretty much when I'm on Whatnot, when you guys see me stream, this is pretty much the setup. I can't wait to show you guys what's in the boxes. Obviously, you guys know what the U-line is. It's just supplies and stuff like that. But this took 2 weeks. I had a whole thing that's been going down to create a claim and stuff. Thankful that I didn't get lost because this is really, really important. And I'm just really excited to show you guys what's inside the box. Oh, and guys, I forgot this, guys. I forgot to show you guys. These are all the packages that I got for the free on the Whatnot app just by watching, lurking, hanging out, by downloading the app and just watching people stream. They do a lot of giveaways, and this is the result of me getting a bunch of giveaways just in 1 week. So it's pretty awesome. Guys, check it out. Don't sleep. And definitely check out your boy Backwoods so you guys can utilize that $10. Guys, this is real. In giveaways just by hanging out, lurking, and placing bets. You win slabs, whole sets of cards, like everything that you guys think of, guys. And it's different for every platform. So specifically TCG Pokemon, you mostly get just slabs and just Pokemon cards and stuff, and a lot of other various things. So check it out. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the boxes, the U-line boxes, supplies that we need to ship out for the customers. Nice, fragile, handle with care thank you stickers, because we obviously need to handle with care when we ship out those Pokemon cards, guys, or anything like that. And then we got the hopefully right size sleeves. Oh, and I just ripped through so tough. Oh, carefully. So hopefully these are the right ones. I think these are a little big. 4x6. I think these are the wrong ones, guys. I think I asked for 3x6s. But we'll get to that later on. And nice. So just like what I was showing you guys before, the perfect bubble mailers for the shipment, guys. Awesome. Thank you so much, T-Boy. Again, this is not a sponsorship video. And to the grand finale. Guys, if you guys know what this is or anything like that, or close to know what this is. And there you have it. My phone takes a dump and my phone dies. So unfortunately, I have to film the very next day. And here you go. And let's do this. So let's see what we got. No way. Alright, before we touch anything, let's see what we got, guys. We got Celebration 25th Anniversary, Greetings Pokemon Trading Card Game Retailers. October 8th, 2021 Pokemon Trading Card Game Sword and Shield Fusion Strike is launching on November 12th, 2021. This marketing kit provides your store with items to help promote and showcase new TCG expansion and products. We got 2 play mats, 50 pack of the promotional posters, 5 pack of the buttons, and a 25 pack of the pendants. And we're gonna go through it real quick and show you guys what's good. Alright, we'll put this aside and we'll go to the first thing. We got the easel backed counter display. A cool little cardboard framed that's gonna be in the buy it now section on my Whatnot channels. And also, I'm gonna be displaying everything that I'm gonna be showing off so you guys can see it on the Whatnot when I go stream and stuff like that. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna look very cool and intriguing, and I hope you guys like it during the end results. So let's get back into it. We'll put this aside right over here, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the 50 pack of promotional posters. If you guys do not know, that is what is in the background right here when I stream. We got these cool promotional pins, super cool, nice. Same thing like the poster. You got the 25th anniversary celebrations 2021. Bam, baby. Super awesome. And then let's see what we got right here. Oh, we got these pendants. Pikachu pendants. Train on celebrations 25th anniversary. Awesome for the holidays. If you guys are trying to put these on your Christmas tree or anything like that, or just give them to a friend, that is super awesome. That is so cool, guys. And let's see what we got. Oh, this is so cool. Alright, I'm gonna have to put this down real quick. Okay, I don't know if this is a good angle or not, but I'm gonna just show you guys this real quickly. Do a little secret revealing here real quick. Alright guys, so we got this awesome promotional window poster. Jeez, very good condition, very well kept. Not even used, guys. That is so cool. I might just put this on the outside of my window right here. Look how cool this is, guys. This is like what, 4 feet? Maybe 3 feet. This is so awesome, guys. Super cool. Awesome. I'm definitely putting this in the window. We got the coolest thing in this shipment, and I'm very excited to share this with you guys. Not a lot of people like show this off on YouTube, or like really appreciate it like how I do. It literally took me forever to get this in, and it got lost in the mail, so I'm glad that I got this, guys. But check it out. This is what hangs. If you guys know what this is what hangs it. And check it out, guys, check it out. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, Fusion Strike Jumbo. Oh, Gengar Mew poster, guys. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can see it under you guys' end, but it's reflective and it's super awesome. I'm so excited to show this to you guys on my streams. I'm gonna be posting it and framing it in the background so you guys can see it. But look how cool this is. Super sick.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, and hopefully I gave you guys enough knowledge on the whole Whatnot app platform side of TCG. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and me just being a seller on Whatnot. So hopefully you guys liked the video and you guys like my setup, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.